Welcome to another edition of presents that I bought myself, and now I'm gonna open. And I only remember one of the things that's in here, so this will be exciting for everyone. I mean, it's mostly just exciting for me. I love that the label is pink. It's just a really nice touch. And like custom tape is always fun. Oh, look. Please reuse. Can you see that? That's so great. That's adorbs. The cat in the box is great. Ah, yeah! Alright, so here's what I really was after, which is my octopus stamp. I'm gonna use it on my Patreon mail going out this month. Super excited. So yeah, Margaret does all kinds of custom rubber stamps. Also, I'm that weirdo that's gonna save this washi tape. Yep, I'm gonna use that on something. Yeah, alrighty. These are the cards that I got. So there you can see the how it stamps. Oh, and Margaret has this like frequent buyer program for buying your cards, which is fun. So I got every useful sympathy card, every useful sympathy card. So pretty, so sad, so pretty, hilarious, also hilarious, delightful, intriguing, relevant, my kind of thing, also my kind of thing, and just, you know, a happy, good time. All right, got some cards, got a glassine bag that I can reuse. This is a Mnemosyne notebook. It has grids. I love the Mnemosyne paper because it's very smooth and it's micro perforated. This is great for letter writing. It is my favorite letter writing paper. Because when you fold these in half, they fit right into an A2 envelope. I got two of them because I go through them. Stickers. Got a mushroom thing going on. And a couple of these Midori pattern letter sets, which just look like a great fun time, right? Oh man. I am well stocked. So yeah. Thanks, Margaret. Thanks, Paper Pastries. I will absolutely reuse this box. So that's my haul. It's my Paper Pastries good times. Stationery, letter paper, stickers, individual cards, and one custom rubber stamp. All of this, forever and always.